The uppercase symbol for delta is the triangle here, and this is also the lowercase delta symbol. In today's video, I will teach you how to easily type or insert these symbols anywhere, including Microsoft Word and Excel. There are several methods you can get this symbol. Without any further ado, let me show you the first method, which involves using the delta symbol character code. Every symbol has a character code, something like a shortcut that you can use to type the symbol into your document. Some people call this the Alt code, because normally the Alt key is always needed to be able to convert the code to the actual symbol. Now the delta symbol character code is 0394, and to use this code to type the delta or triangle symbol in Microsoft Word, first place the insertion pointer where you want to insert the symbol. Then type the Alt code for the symbol you want to type. The delta symbol Alt code is 0394. After typing the code, press the Alt plus X at the same time. As soon as you press these keys, the code will immediately convert to the delta symbol. This method works only in Microsoft Word. It also works on Windows only. If you are on Mac, press Option plus J on your keyboard to type this symbol. Option plus J is the shortcut for delta in Mac. Aside from using the keyboard shortcut for this symbol, there is also a mouse-based approach. It involves using the Insert Symbol dialog. It is a library of all the symbols on the computer. To get this symbol, come and click on this Insert tab here. In the symbol group, select these symbols drop down, then More Symbols. The Symbols dialog box will appear. From this dialog, locate the delta symbol. To easily get this symbol, come here and select Unicode from this drop-down list. Then come to the top here and select Greek and Coptic from this subset drop-down. Now look carefully through the symbols for the delta symbol. I think it is right here. Now that you locate the symbol, just double-click on it to insert it into your document. The other way is to click to select it, then come over here and click Insert. You can use this method to insert any symbol in all the Office apps, including Microsoft Excel and PowerPoint. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel so that you will get notified when new videos are released.